guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn to speak with kids in different languages. Keep watching my channel videos and learn to speak flawlessly in multiple languages. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. If you need any other videos based on some other topic, please do comment me. So yeah, without making any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Don't throw the things here and there. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. चीज़ों को इधर उधर मत फेंको. I repeat, चीज़ों को इधर उधर मत फेंको. Now in Tamil, பொருட்களை அங்கும் இங்கும் வீச வேண்டாம் or தூக்கி போடாத. Now in Telugu, వస్తువులను అక్కడ ఇక్కడ పడేయద్దు. In Kannada, ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸೆಯಬೇಡ, or you can also say as ಬಿಸಾಕಬೇಡ. Now let's move on to the second one. What are you playing? Let's learn to say this in Hindi. तुम क्या खेल रहे हो? तुम क्या खेल रहे हो? Now in Tamil, நீ என்ன விளையாடுகிறாய் or நீ என்ன விளையாடிட்டு இருக்க. Now in Telugu, నువ్వు ఏమి ఆడుతున్నావు or నువ్వు ఏమి ఆటలాడుతున్నావు. Now in Kannada, ನೀನು ಏನು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ. I repeat, ನೀನು ಏನು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ. Let's move on to the next one. Bring your books. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. किताब means book in Hindi. तुम्हारे किताबें लाओ और तुम्हारे किताबों को ले आओ. You can say in any of these ways. Now in Tamil, உன்னோட புத்தகங்களை கொண்டு வா. புத்தகம் means book in Tamil. Now in Telugu, నీ పుస్తకాలు తీసుకురా. పుస్తకం means book in Telugu. Now in Kannada, ನಿನ್ನ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ. I repeat, ನಿನ್ನ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ. ಪುಸ್ತಕ means book. Next one, do not swing your legs. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. तुम्हारे पैर मत हिलाओ. पैर means legs in Hindi. In Tamil, உன்னோட கால்களை ஆட்ட வேண்டாம். I repeat, உன்னோட கால்களை ஆட்ட வேண்டாம். Now in Telugu, నీ కాలుని ఊపవద్దు. కాలు means leg in Telugu. Now in Kannada, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸಬೇಡ. ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸಬೇಡ. ಕಾಲು means again leg in Kannada. Let's move on to the fifth one. See how dirty it is. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. देखो कितना गंदा है. गंदा means dirty. Let's learn this in Tamil. அது எவ்வளோ அழுக்கா இருக்கு பார். அழுக்கு means again dirty in Tamil. Now in Telugu, అది ఎంత మురికిగా ఉంది. మురికిగా means again dirty in Telugu. Now in Kannada, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಳಕಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡು, or you can also say as ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊಲಸಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡು. Let's move on to the sixth one. Did you hear what I said? Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. क्या तुमने सुना मैंने जो कहा. क्या तुमने सुना मैंने जो कहा. Now in Tamil, நான் சொன்னதை நீ கேட்டாயா. Now in Telugu, నేను చెప్పింది నువ్వు విన్నావా. నేను చెప్పింది నువ్వు విన్నావా. Let's learn this in Kannada. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಿನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ. I repeat, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಿನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ means did you hear in English. Let's move on to the next one. Go sleep. Let's learn this in Hindi. सो जाओ or जाओ जाके सो जाओ. You can say in any of these ways. Now in Tamil, போய் தூங்கு. I repeat, போய் தூங்கு. Now in Telugu, పోయి పడుకో, or you can also say as పోయి నిద్రపో. You can say in any of these ways. In Kannada, ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋ. I repeat, ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋ or ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲಗು. You can say in any of these ways. So this is just part 1 of Kids English. There are a lot more to be covered under this topic. We will be learning in the upcoming videos. Join me in the journey to explore the world of multiple language learning by subscribing. This is a unique channel where you can learn to speak English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. 5 languages learning in one channel. So do not miss this opportunity to learn multiple languages. Hence I would request you all to subscribe and join immediately. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. That's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again in the next video.